Welcome to another Jikan video. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. 6 quick and easy meal makeovers for healthy eating. Why is it that foods that are not so good for us are always the ones that taste so good? As a mom, it's hard to resist these foods ourselves and to keep them from our kids. Here are a few meal makeovers so that you can still enjoy the foods you like but with fewer calories. 1. Use ground turkey or chicken instead of ground beef. Hamburgers are great at cookouts, and who doesn't like a sloppy joe? For a low-fat solution, use ground turkey or chicken as a substitute for beef. If your family is skeptical about taste, ease them and yourself into it. Mix half ground turkey with half low-fat ground beef. 2. Add vegetables to sauces and casseroles. It's hard to get the recommended amount of vegetables each day. To boost your family's intake, add diced vegetables to your spaghetti sauce or sneak them into casseroles. This works well for picky eaters or kids who aren't fans of the green leafy foods. In each bite, they will get their veggies without even knowing it. 3. Bake, don't fry. Chicken is still just as good if it is baked in the oven. If you are really attached to fried chicken, try the oven-fried variety. Instead of flour, use reduced fat Bisquick mix for your recipe. Breadcrumbs are also an option for fish, pork chops and chicken as an alternative to frying. Use spices to marinate and flavor the meat before using any type of coating. 4. Don't forget your non-stick pan. For stir-frying or making fajitas, try a non-stick pan instead of adding butter or oil before cooking. Use frozen vegetables for such recipes so that the water produces steam and cooks the vegetables quicker without burning. 5. Whole wheat instead of white. We all know that anything made with white flour is high on the glycemic index and will spike your blood sugar. Whenever possible, make the substitution for your health. At a cookout, use wheat hot dog and hamburger buns. For quick meals, use whole wheat sandwich bread or tortillas. Whole wheat contains more healthy fiber than pastas or breads made with enriched white flour. 6. Opt for low-fat dairy. Macaroni and cheese is a favorite for many families. Who can resist the creamy cheese and firm noodles? Low-fat shredded cheese and low-calorie Velveeta can be combined for the same creamy taste that will be less harmful to your waistline. Moms have the hard task of keeping their food habits under control while teaching their families to eat healthier. If you are a mom, don't do it alone. Use these healthy meal makeover ideas to tame the fat and calories for everyone in your home. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.